Hello guys, this is Harikrishna over here to teach you Python. Let me introduce about myself. I have did lot of certification courses in Python. So instead of showing you all those certification courses and making you bored, I have listed only three important certificates that I've got in Python. One is from Google, another is from Gooey, and the last one is from Track. The time and money that I've spent on this is really high. So I wanted you to spend less time and as well as less money to learn Python from your home. So this all my other certification as well to show you that to showcase you that I get regularly updated because especially for a person who is aspirant to join an IT company, you should get updated regularly, right? So these are all the trending topics. So I usually do courses in it. These are all the courses that I've done in this lockdown. So you can also surely spend time on the Python course. So it will be really useful for you in your future as well to get job. So why should you learn Python? The first reason is Python is so simple. Anything can't get as simpler as Python. Just look at the program of C and Python. This is just a hello world program, right? So this is the program that we'll be learning whenever if you start learning a program. So the C program is nearly 4 lines, but you compare Python just 1 line. So this is not the only reason why you should learn Python, right? Because Python is not just easy, but it is useful in lot of areas. So just think about the salary of Python developer in India. It is 4 lakh per annum, and in USA it is $88,492 per annum. Sounds good, right? So why do they get that much of salary? Because Python makes everything easy. Especially, I want to tell an example in web development. Python's contribution is really great. Let me tell an example for you. Django is a Python-based web development framework for backend developers. So these are all based on Django. These are all developed from Django. Disqus, YouTube, Instagram, Spotify, Dropbox. These are all great applications, right? You'll be all knowing this application. That's I'm sure for it. So now we'll be sure that why should you learn Python? So now the second question is how to learn Python. Here is where we are going to help you. We have arranged the 6 hours of live interaction classes based on your convenience or recorded classes as well based on your convenience. So there are 4 modules basically, beginner module, intermediate module, advanced module, and expert module. So in the beginner module, we are not like other platforms that they don't tell what they're going to teach, but we are clear that what you're going to teach. We will be saying what all we'll be teaching in each and every module. In beginner module, we'll be learning like from installation of Python, history of Python, Python IDE, PyScript IDE, hello world program, number, and math. In intermediate module, we'll be learning variable, string, loops, function, and conditional statements. In advanced module, we'll be learning list, tuples, and dictionary, file handling, function as arguments. And don't go anywhere. As I said earlier, there's another module called expert module where you can learn Lambda, filter maps, iterators, and Python MySQL. So what are the perks of it? Certification from Cademyk. So for those who doesn't know what is Cademyk, Cademyk is an recognized organization by Startup India, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and Ministry of MSME. Other than this, what you'll be getting is a further guidance to improve your knowledge even after the completion of course. So now you'll be clear that why you have to do the course, right? So just go and enroll in this course and make this time so useful. Thank you.